Question 15. Let's read the question. Diagram 15 shows a triangle PQS. U is a point of intersection of the two lines. So let's see the vector given. So we have 3pt pt over ts is 1 over 3, right? From here is 3 times pt equal to 1 times ts. So if I am going to write the fraction, I have to express in ratio. So is 1 over 3. You need to be very careful. This one bring over to be divided. So it's 1/3. So ratio pt here 1, and then ts here is 3. pt here, right? So we need to make sure we are doing the right labeling for the ratio. And then another one is we have SR equal to 2RQ. It means that SR over RQ is 2 to the 1. By using cross multiply, I get the ratio. This is multiply, this is multiply. So I'm going to show you why it is 2 over 1. So let's see, this is 1 time SR, right? And then this is 2 times RQ. So if you bring over SR over RQ, then this 2 is at the right, the 1 you bring over is 2 to 1. So SR is 2. From here to here is 2. And then it looks like logic. From here to here, RQ is 1. So we have the ratio. Now let's label the vector. So the first step is you label the ratio correctly. Then after that you label the vector. Vector PQ9y. Okay, vector PQ was given 9y. From P to Q, make sure we draw the arrow. This vector is 9y. And then for the vector PT, it was given 2x here 2x pt, so that means here will be 3 times 2, 6x, right? Same direction. So now we want to write qt in terms of xy. So let's go to the diagram. Where is the qt? Okay, I'm going to show you how the movement of the qt. Q to t is here, is actually q to p. Okay, there is a negative 9y because opposite direction, plus 2x, same direction, right? So it's negative 9y plus 2x. So pq, okay, qt, we write the triangular first, is qp. We will write the triangular first, qp plus the pt. But because of the qp is negative pq, so we will write negative 9y plus 2x. This is vector qt. Alright, so then we have vector qt ready. Now we can substitute for the part B. Is number 2. Okay, number 1 settle already. Alright. Okay, for number 2, we have to find the vector QR first, right? But it's okay, let's do B. In fact, for number 2, there is one more question asking for vector QR. So QR is, where is the vector QR? QR is 1/3 of vector qs, 1/3. 1/3 of vector qs, and the qs is negative 9y. qs is from here to here, negative 9y plus how many x? 8x, right? So we will write 1/3 times negative 9y plus 8x. If we simplify to the simplest form, will be 8 over 3x minus 3y. Right, that is the answer for the vector QR. Now, given the QU equal to QT, we have the answer already. Just now it was 2x minus 9y. And then UR is equal to NPR. We have the vector PR is equal to PR here. This is a P to R. PR is equal to PQ plus QR, right? Let's write down the triangle law. PQ plus QR. This is PR, but PR is equal to QR. Now we will substitute all the vector inside. So that means our UR is equal to N. We have the PQ is 9y plus, just now we have the answer, which is QR is 8 over 3x plus minus 3y. So we have the answer is N 8 over 3x plus 6y. This is a vector Q. This is a vector that we want to find, which is vector QU. Okay, so we have the vector QU and we have the vector UR. Okay, so based on these two, we are asking to solve the constant. So the problem is we must know that we need to form the triangle law between the two vectors that we want to find. We have QU, we also have UR. Okay, let's go to the diagram. QU and UR. So we need to form a triangle law for the two vectors. We have QU, right? We have UR, right? So the resultant vector is QR is equal to QU plus UR. So this is the resultant vector. Okay, and actually we have the answer for QR, right? Just now we have the answer already. This is the resultant vector. So by using QR is equal to, QR is here, this is a QR, is equal to QU, this is a QU, and then plus the UR, this is a UR. So we are going to write and solve the constant. Now let's write here. QR is equal to QU plus UR from the triangle law, so that we can form the equation. So we have 8 over 3x minus 3y is equal to m negative 9y plus 2x plus n 6y plus 8 over 3x. So we will write at this 2mx minus 9my plus 8n. Okay, write in order so that easy. Finally, we will arrange so that the x, we will take out the constant. We factorize the vector x, and then for the y, we will write minus 9m plus 6n. Okay, so we will just focus to the constant. So now we can say that they are equal vector, so we can do comparison. Right, let's do comparison by compare this component with 8 over 3, and then the other component we will compare with y component, negative 3 equal to negative 9m plus 6n. So let's solve it now. So we have the negative 3 equal to negative 9m plus 6n, and we can simplify, become negative 1 equal to negative divided by 3. So this is number 1. And we have another equation which is 8 over 3 is equal to 2m plus 8n over 3. So we will get, if I times with the 3, I will get 8 is equal to 6m. I times 3 because there is a fraction. 6m plus 8n. This is number 2. So based on these two equations, I'm going to solve by multiply by 4. If I multiply by 4, here every terms it will be negative 4 equal to negative 12m plus 8n. Alright, after that I'm going to solve 2 and 3. So I minus 2 minus 3. I will get 12 equal to 18m. Right, so that means my m is 12 over 18, which is 2/3. Hence my n, I can solve by substitute into number 1. I'm going to substitute into number 1. Negative 1 minus 3 times 2 over 3 equal to plus 2n. Right, negative 3n plus 2n. So I will have negative 1 plus 2 equal to 2n. So 2n equal to 1. So n is equal to 1 over 2. Right, so the answer is n is 1 over 2, and then m is 2 over 3. So that is the final answer. M is 2 over 3, and then n is 1 over 2. That's all my sharing about vectors. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.